Hello class, in this video we are going to discuss this said fraction where most students find it difficult to do. Anytime they are given this, they input this inside their calculator to compute and write what's the result on the calculator as their final answer. That isn't done anyway. So if you're a student who writes the answer from the calculator, please, you need to put a stop to that. But the easiest way to do this is, first of all, what is said, any irrational number or any number under root is classified as a set apart from the perfect square numbers. So any number under root, so let's list the first 10 natural numbers. 1 are the first 10 natural numbers, and looking at these numbers, any of these numbers under a root is classified as a set apart from the perfect square numbers, which are 4 and 9 from these 10 digits. So please, I have a video explaining set. Move through my video playlist, glance through them, and then watch the video on set. So looking at the first set, which is 28, root 28. Root 28 should be expanded in a form whereby there will be a perfect square number. So root 28 could be written as.
Welcome to Math with Father. Welcome to Math with Father. Subscribe, like and share.
So solution, root 28 could be written as root 4 times 7. So 4 times 7 gives us 28, plus root 343 could also be written as the square root of 49 times 7, all divided by 2 multiplying this root of 63, which is also 9 by 7 plus 5 on 3. Now the trick in this is there should be a number which is constant in each of the set. So looking at this, we have 7, we have 7, we have 7, and that number should be multiplied by a perfect square number. So we have 4 as a perfect square number, we have 49 as a perfect square number, and we have 9 as a perfect square number. Now this could be expanded in the form root 4 times root 7 plus root 49 times root 7 divided by 2 multiplying the bracket root 9 times root 7 plus 5 on 3. So we move on by simplifying. Root 4 gives us 2 root 7. So root 4 is given us 2 multiplied by root 7, which is 2 root 7 plus root 49 also gives us 7 by root 7. 7 by root 7 divided by 2 multiplying the brackets root 9. Root 9 also gives us 3 root 7. So we have 2 multiplying 3 root 7 plus the fraction 5 on 3. So by the addition property of set, we have 2 root 7 plus 7 root 7. Since they all have a similar set, we can add up the rational numbers, which is 2 and 7. So we have 2 plus 7 all multiplying root 7 divided by 2 multiplying 3 gives us 6 root 7 plus 5 on 3. Now we move on. 2 plus 7 gives us 9 root 7 on 6 root 7 plus 5 on 3. So from here, root 7 cancels with 7 and 9 on 6 could also be reduced by a common factor 3. So 3 into 9 3, 3 into 6 2. So we have 3 on 2 plus the fraction 5 on 3. We move on by finding the LCM, which is 6. 2 into 6 3 times by 3, that's 9, plus 3 into itself, 3 into 6 2 by 5, which is 10. So we have 19 on 6, and this could be written in a mixed fraction form, that is 3 whole number 1 on 6. This is the result to our question. This is the result to our question. So please, I entreat each and every student to solve it gradually by following how we had the result for this. So if this video was very helpful, like the video, give me thumbs up, comment in the comment section, and let's make math and science a reality. I'm out. Thank you.